Income and expenditure account under receipts and payments account, part 3, problems and solutions. Dear students, today we will solve an illustration on how to prepare a receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet when opening balance sheet and the related transactions and adjustments are given. Illustration. From the following particulars which are related to a commercial and a literacy society, prepare a receipts and payments account, an income and expenditure account and balance sheet as at 31st March 2021. Now the opening balance sheet as on 31st March 2020 is given. It contains liabilities, outstanding creditors 425, capital fund, excess of income over expenditure 15,575. Total liabilities coming to 16,000. On the asset side, cash at bank 3,000, government securities 10,000, accrued interest 125, outstanding subscriptions 400, library books 1,000, furniture and fittings 1,475, total 16,000. The following transactions are given. The transactions for the year 2021 were received from subscriptions rupees 2,500, proceeds received from entertainment and lectures 1,000, received interest on securities 475, entrance fees received 500, sale proceeds of old chairs is 75. These are all amounts received, so all these items will appear in on the receipt side of the receipts and payments account. Paid for rent 600, for printing rupees 150, paid for advertisement 200, paid for petty disbursements 55, paid for purchase of government securities 2,500. All these are payments, so all these items will appear on the payments of the side of the receipts and payments account. On 30th March 2020, the following liabilities were outstanding: for printing 75 and for rent 100. These are the liabilities outstanding, so these items will appear on the liabilities of the balance sheet. There were also outstanding on account of interest on securities 150 and subscriptions 325. These are the incomes received, not yet received, income due but not received. These items will appear as an asset on the balance sheet. So let us try to solve this problem. Let us try to prepare receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet as of 30th March 2021 with the details given. Here on the right side, the transactions and adjustments are given for a reference. On the left side, receipts and payments account, the solution is available. Let me explain you how it has been prepared for the year ended 30th March 2021. On receipt side, to balance of cash at 1st April 2020 from the balance sheet 3,000 rupees. To subscriptions received from the transactions and adjustments 2,500. To proceeds from entertainments and lectures from transactions and adjustments 1,000 rupees. To entrance fees from transactions and adjustments 500 rupees. To interest on securities from the transactions 475. To sale proceeds of old shares from the transactions and adjustments 75 rupees. On the payment side, by capital expenditure, government securities from the adjustments 2,500, furniture from the adjustment side 400 rupees, library books from the transactions and adjustments 300, outstanding creditors from the balance sheet, opening balance sheet 425 rupees, rent paid 600 rupees, by printing 150 rupees, by petty disbursements paid 55 rupees, from advertisements paid 20 rupees, for cost of entertainment adjustment 750 rupees. To balance cash 31st March 2021, this is the balancing period 2,170. Total receipts have come to 7,550 and the total payments, there is a balance excess of receipts over payments is 2,170 rupees. This is how receipts and payment account is prepared. Income and expenditure account. For the year ended 31st March 2021, expenditure. On the expenditure, to rent paid 600 rupees, add outstanding 100 rupees, 700 rupees total. To printing from adjustment 150, outstanding amount due for printing, add outstanding 75 rupees, total 225 rupees. To petty disbursements from the transactions adjustments 55 rupees. To advertisements from the adjustments 200 rupees. to cost of entertainment from the 750 rupees. So on the income side, subscriptions from the adjustment side 2500, less outstanding old balance 400 rupees, add outstanding new balance 325, total 2425 in the outer column. By entrance fees or adjustments 500 rupees. The proceeds from entertainment and lectures from a transaction 1000 rupees. By interest on securities received 475 rupees, less accrued interest from the opening balance sheet 125 rupees. Add outstanding from the adjustment 150. Total net amount 500 in the outer column. So total income is 4425 and excess of income over expenditure is 2495. This is how income and expenditure statement is prepared. Balance sheet as at 30th March 2021. Liabilities. On the liability side, outstanding creditors from the opening balance sheet 425. Paid for outstanding creditors from the adjustment 425. Total nil. For rent, current year liabilities. For rent from the adjustments 100 rupees. For printing, outstanding printing expenses 75 not yet paid 175 rupees total. Capital fund balance from last year from the opening balance sheet 15,575. Add excess of income over expenditure from the income and expenditure year for this year 2,495. On the asset side, cash from receipts and payments 2,170. Government securities from balance sheet 10,000. Add additions 2,500. New purchases during this year total 12,500. Accrued interest from adjustments 150. Outstanding subscriptions from the adjustment 325. Library books from the balance sheet, opening balance sheet 1000. Add outstanding adjustments 300 rupees, 1300. Furniture and fittings from the opening balance sheet 1475. Add additions from the adjustments 325. Total of assets is coming to 18,245 and the total of liabilities is 18,245. This is how we need to prepare balance sheet. In the next lecture, we will discuss about bills of exchange.